Tired of cluttered tools and messy outdoor spaces? Which shed will actually solve your storage needs? Metal or resin? First up, the 10 by 12 foot Alora outdoor metal garden shed from SAKSBY. This is perfect if you want serious space and strength for your tools, tractors, and bulky equipment. With its metal construction and arch roof, water runs off easily and your gear stays dry and secure. This is ideal for homeowners or farmers needing long-lasting durability. Now check out the 06 by 08 foot outdoor resin patio garden shed. A great choice if you want easy maintenance and built-in features like windows and a floor already included. Resin sheds are naturally weather-resistant and won't rust, which means less upkeep and long-term performance even in wet or humid climates. So how do you choose? Metal, stronger, great for heavy gear and long-term durability. Resin, low maintenance, includes floor and natural light from windows. That's it. It all comes down to how you plan to use your new shed. Need help deciding? We're here for you. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.